Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Word Chapter 3 Greater Cumulative Tourism. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all assignments project, all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, my lab SS, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, all my lab math courses, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, please let me know and contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our assignment. To solve it step by step, we will go to my lab at Pearson and go to Word Chapter 3 Greater Cumulative Tourism. We will download files first in our PC download folder and we will start our assignment to solve it step by step. Click on continue button. Click on download materials button. Click on download all files. All files will be downloaded in our PC download folder. So we will go to our PC download folder. First we will open our instruction file. Okay, here is our instruction file. Click on enable editing button first. Now we are able to do this assignment. Okay, the title of assignment is here Exp25 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. I will increase the font size of this title and I will highlight for a proper view in my video. Okay. So moving on instructions, select this instruction and increase the font size first. Okay, I am doing this because my student will be understand very easily. So question number 1 is that start Word, download and open the file name Exp25 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism Documents. Greater has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Display non-printing characters. Basically in this question we will have to download Word file from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. Now I am going to opening my file. Okay, Word file. Click on enable editing button. So we will display non-printing character button. Okay, question 1 is done now. So moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that place the insertion point at the end of the document. Insert a 2 by 1 table. Adjust the width of the first column to 2 inches. Apply a table style of list table to accent 6. So the first point of this question is here. Place the insertion point at the end of the document. Okay, we will go to the end of the document and then we will click here at the insertion point is here. Okay, so insert a 2 by 1 table. Insert a 2 by 1 table. We will go to the layout tab in the page setup group. Sorry, go to the insert tab in the tables group. Click on table button 2 by 1. 2 row, 2 column and 1 row. Okay, you can see 2 columns and 1 row. 2 by 1 table is inserted. So the next point is that adjust the width of first column to 2 inches. We will adjust the width of first column. We will select first column and go to the table layout tab in the cell size group. We will adjust the width of first column to 2.2 inches. Okay, only 2 inches. Apply a table style of list table 2s and 6. We will apply a table style. We will select this table, go to the table design tab in the table style group. Okay, you can see I have applied this table style. List table 2s and 6. So we will moving on question number 3. In question number 3, center the newly created table horizontally. Select the table and apply shading of gray accent 3 letter 80%. Okay, center the newly created table horizontally. center the newly table. We will go to the home tab. In the paragraph group, we will, okay, we will center the alignment. We will apply center the alignment. So center the horizontally. Select the table and apply shading of gray as in 3 letter 80%. We will select the table and go to the table design tab. In the table style group, click on shading button. Okay, we will apply blue gray accent. Okay, you can see I have applied blue. I have applied shading of gray accent 3 letter 80%. Shading of gray accent 3 letter 80% I have applied on this table. So we will move on question number 4. I have done 3 questions so far. Question number 4 is that insert a row between the first and second rows of the first table under the eco-friendly word destination row. Enter destination in the first cell on the new row. Enter description in the next cell. Enter C2 rating in the last cell on the row. Okay, first point of this question is that we will insert a row between the first and second row of the table. We will go to, okay, we will go to table layout tab. With the rows and column group, we will and click on insert row, insert row above. Okay, you can see I have insert a row between the first and second row of the first table. First we will, I have go to first table and I have insert a row between the first and second row of the first table. So enter destination in the first cell on the new row. We will copy this destination in the first cell of the new row. We'll type here destination, copy and paste here simply. Okay, and then enter description in the next cell. So we will enter description in the next cell. Okay, next cell is here. We will enter description, copy and paste here. Okay, so enter C2 rating in the last cell on the row. We will enter C2 rating in the last cell on the new row. Okay, this is good. So we will move on. Next question is question number 5. Insert a column at the right of the last column in the table. Enter approximate visitor year in the last cell on the second row. Text will wrap in the cell. Enter data in the final two column of the table as follows: C2 rating and approximate visitor year. The first point of question number 5 is that insert a column at the right of the last column in the table. Okay. We will insert a column right of the last column. We will select this last column, go to the table design tab. In the rows and columns group, click on insert column right. Insert column right. Okay, you can see new column will be inserted. So enter approximate visitor year in the last cell on the second row. Okay, last cell of the second row, we will enter approximate visitor year. Copy and paste here approximate visitor year. So enter data in the final two column of the table as follows: C2 rating data. Okay, 8, 7, 9, 6, 8, 7, 9, 6, 9, 10, 7, 8. 9, 10, 7, 8. 9, 10, 7, 8. Okay, so the next is that approximate visitor year column. We will enter this data 250, 300. Okay, 250, 300. Copy and paste data here. So the next is that 524, 300. 524, 300. So the next is that 2 lakh 700. 2 lakh 700. So the next is 34,900. 34,900. So the next is that 190,000. Okay, 190,000 for the next. Copy and paste your data. So 3500 is the next cell of the last column. Approximate visitor year column. 3500. Copy and paste data here. So the second last is that 145,000. 1,45,000. We'll copy and paste here 1,45,000. Okay. So the last data is that 3,48,000. 3,48,000. Okay. You can see I have done this question so well. So we will move on. Next question is question number 6. In question number 6, select the first table. Select a border style of double solid line 1 over 2 point S and 3. Apply the selection to outside borders. Auto-fit content of the table. The first point of question number 6 is that select the first table. We will go to our file and we will select our first table. First table will be selected. So far, select a border style of double solid line 1 over 2 point S and 3. Okay, select a border style of double solid line 1 over 2 point S and 3. Go to the table design tab. In the borders group, click on border. In the borders group, 1 over 2 point S and 3. हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जी जी मैम। जी जी मैम। मैंने मैम सिर्फ वो पूछा था कि मैं अगर अभी वो पे ऑर्डर बनवाऊँ तो मेरी कितनी पेमेंट निकल सकेगी नूर कार्ड से। ओके मैम। मैं मतलब मुझे 30,000 मिल सकता है अगर मैं निकलवाऊँ तो। च- चलो ठीक है, ओके थैंक यू। अभी मैंने लेना नहीं है, वैसे पूछ रहा था। हाँ आपसे पूछ रहा था, वो अभी मैंने एक और इंस्टॉलमेंट इसमें ऐड करनी है ना, 8,000 कितनी भी है वो नेक्स्ट मुझे बता दें कितनी है, वो करूँगा तो उसके बाद फिर करूँगा। तो फिर मेरा 38 निकलेगा। चलो ठीक है, थैंक यू। Okay, so we will go to the table design tab in the borders group, click on border style button. We will select 1 over 2 point accent 3 border style. Okay, go to the border style and border outside border. Okay, in the cell group, click on auto fit. Okay, so we will apply auto fit content. Okay, this is good. I have done this question. So I have done 6 questions of this assignment in my video. Total question is 18. I just show you 6 questions in my video, but I have done this complete assignment for my student. Now I am going to upload this assignment on my DLab PSN portal, and I will show my grade which I have got in this assignment. If you want to do this complete assignment from me, and if you want to do this complete course from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab SAS, MyLab Math, Macroeconomics, Java, C++, Accounting, Finance, and many more online courses. Please let me know and contact me on my WhatsApp if you need help in any course, any exam, any assignments. I will be available 24 hours for you with A plus grade work. So I'm going to upload my file first. I will save this file. Click on save as. I am going to save this file on desktop. Okay, so we'll go to Material Application Portal. Click on upload and submit for grading. I will select this file. Click on open button. So click on upload button. One second. Okay, I have selected this file, so I will upload and I will show my grade which I have got in this assignment. Okay, it's uploading right now. Click on continue button. Okay, you can see I have got 100% grade in this assignment, hundreds over 100 points. I am handling many student courses on material Pearson's engagement tab, MCQ Royal Seminar, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.